Hello, people. How are you doing, YouTube? Waking up happy as always. You know how it is. Not black and yellow. Just need to grab my keys out of my pocket before it falls out. Yeah, man. Waking back. Waking back. So, I just want to say it's been a week since by my mother. Been doing videos the entire week. This is good. When I go into YouTube Studios, for my first 3 months, the data shown is promising. I won't lie, I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this at all. For the channel to be doing so good in such an early stage. I mean, within the past 3 days, I got another 1,000 views, which puts me to over 4,000 views now. Within 3 months, that's good. No lie, it's good joy. Feeling it already. Feeling it already. So yeah, that's our promotion. I won't lie, I'm gonna keep going. No matter what happens, the show must go on. Wi-Fi is coming in a few days. Today's the 11th. So there's a few more days. 22 more days. No, 21 days, sorry. There's not 32 days in a month. Exactly 3 weeks. I'll have Wi-Fi. Then videos will be coming out like crazy. My one video, short video, my one short video, and it's the only video. One short video got over 500 views. I got 2 videos with over 400 views. What about 2 or 3 videos with over 300 views? Some videos with 200 views. I got a few videos with 100 views, and then you got the rest of the videos which have the less views. So I'm undecided. This phone seems to be working now. I don't know whether to get a new phone, whether to get the Spider, whether to get a game, whether to get the vlogging kit with the game. I don't know. I'm also gonna need to buy a camera with a mic so I can study. I also need to buy speakers so I'm able to hear the lectures. So there will be 2 months where I need to save and I need to get speakers and a camera. So I need to get it by August because applications are opening in August for next year. Although I'm gonna be only starting next year, why should I need to get it before August is because I know I have it. You know? I know I have it. I need to prioritize. YouTube is a priority, yes, but I need to see which are my more important priorities. You know? YouTube is not a hobby anymore. I've done over 120 videos. This has now become a job for me. I've spent time on this. This is not going for nothing. It really isn't going for nothing. So, I'm going to keep creating content. I'm going to keep creating content. Yes, man. You know, I also need money to paint my room. Really. It's gonna cost me minimum 800 rand. Plus I need to buy brushes. Plus I need to buy rollers. Plus I need to buy a painting tray. Oh no, the roller comes in, the brushes come with painting tray, so that's fine. They come with a painting tray. I have a choice between two colors. Burnt orange and royal blue. Slowly but surely, oh yeah, I'm gonna get super stoned. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna be making changes to the room. So just to repeat that, slowly but surely, I'm gonna make changes to the room. I just need to get the money and then I can say what I'm doing. So guys, today's video has come to an end. Be happy. Stay focused. Be you. Toodaloo.